around in here so you can listen to it. And the paint looks much better out here. You're still gonna see the little dimples and things. Looking at the body lines. This thing would be perfect for just like a little photo shoot, a wedding getaway car. Just kind of cruising around. It has such a good look to it. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So we're gonna get up close and personal, panel by panel, and really look at everything. Looking at the white wall here, looks really good. Typical little scuffs and scratches. I see some chips in there. Overall though, that tire and wheel combo looks good. A little rust there. And when you look at the paint, of course you're going to see all these little dimples. Now it's kind of enhanced in this lighting, so we're going to get this car outside as well. Typical dimples here. You got some chips, little touch-up spots. You can see some of that's kind of flaking. Typical wear in there. Looks like that might have broke off. You're going to see some of the flaws in that finish from that paint. The windows rolled up and down really nice though, so I have them down. Got your chips. Like I said, get up closer, you're going to see the texture. So far the body lines look good though. Headlight looks nice. We do have some damage in here. Little scuff scratches, cracking. Got the damage there. Kind of scan through all of this. Gashes, little chips. Overall, that looks nice. See all the touch up. I do see a crease right there. That looks good. All right, check out the interior. It has been restored. That door panel looks good. Here on the seat, little frayed spot with a small rip. Otherwise in great condition. Looking at the steering wheel, typical chips here and there. That looks good. Little flaws here and there, but that looks really good. Got the vinyl flooring. All right, looking at this door panel. It's in great condition. That trim looks nice. And the seats, those look really good. The inside is really nice. Now we do have stains kind of all throughout the headliner. Looking at that seat, looks good. Once again, stains on the headliner. Typical little flaws here and there, but otherwise in great condition. All right, we're gonna check out the engine bay here. I'm just gonna kind of scan through some of this. Here on the underside. Let's get back here on the plate.